Come and join us. We would love to see more participants. So please everybody, come closer. Join the entertainment team and all the these lovely moments. Please join us. Everybody. That's right. Don't be shy to stand up and join us. Dance with us. Share this lovely moment. This is Rose.
Manager here at Dessert. I hope you have enjoyed dancing with us.
He and his team always ready here to help you with all these lovely rooms in many different locations. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gents, I would love to have a very big warm round of applause for our reception manager, Mr. Mohammed Sabr. Moving on to the next manual, mate, he's in charge of all the cleanliness in this huge territory and all the rooms. The National Portuguese Housekeeping. Ladies and gents, big warm hand of applause for our housekeeping director, Mr. Mamdouh Hafiz. Moving on to the next part, to the pool and beach area. All this pristine beach and all these pools, the warm pool and the aqua park as well. And the lifeguards, which they are always here for your safety. Ladies and gents, I would love to hear a very massive round of applause for our recreation manager, Mr. Ahmed Ali. And now, ladies and gents, I would love to move on to the next division, the food and beverage. So all these lovely food on the restaurants and on the bar. I would love to present for all of you these gentlemen in charge of the food and beverage department one by one. Ladies and gentlemen, please let me hear a big warm hand of applause for our food and beverage director, Mr. Yasser Sadiq. Assistant food and beverage manager, Mr. Hani. Our restaurant manager, please warm hand of applause for Mr. Ahmed Hadras. And all these tasty cocktails all over the hotel, please very big warm hand of applause for the one and only Mr. Muhammad Gabir. Moving on to the tasty foods and all the restaurants, the main restaurant and the a la carte restaurant. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to hear a very big round of applause for the man in charge of all the food in the hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, our executive chef, Chef Ahmed Al-Asawi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there is one man is here for making this operation running all over. I would love to hear a very, very warm round of applause for the executive assistant manager, the one and only Mr. Ihab Hanan. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, there is a one man on the top of all this collaboration and success. Without him, we would never have this hotel running this way. I would love to have a very massive round of applause for our general manager, Mr. Mohammed Amina. Ladies and gentlemen, for all of you, all together, as you come in, sit with the management team of Dizort Resort. Ladies and gents, thank you very much for being here with us, for choosing our hotel to spend your lovely holiday. And right now we would love to invite you all to join us and try this tasty cocktail presented by the Food and Beverage Department. So please, feel free to join us and try this lovely tasty cocktail. Спасибо большое, дорогие гости, выбрали наш хотел на ваш отдых. И сейчас мы хотим всем приглашать на наш вкусный коктейль, который готовит для вас наш Food and Beverage Department. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and feel free to communicate with us. We are always ready.